Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from T-Sportline, and today I'm very excited to introduce our new LED light bar for the Cybertruck. You may have caught a week or two ago, we introduced our ditch lights for the Cybertruck, but the story today is our aftermarket LED light bar up here. Now, this is a 50-inch LED light bar. It's 250 watts. And most importantly, we designed this from the ground up specifically for Cybertruck. T-Sportline has engineers here that have a background in automotive off-road lighting, so this was a natural project for us. Going through the basics, the light bar is designed 48 volts. It's designed exactly to plug and play with the Cybertruck. There's no voltage converters or anything like that. So electrically, it's a direct hit for the Cybertruck. We use the Cybertruck factory wiring, which is up in the roof already on the passenger side. So you control this through the center screen in the Cybertruck. You go to the outlet section and you turn on the rooftop power, and that's going to turn on the lights. Now, what's also really exciting about this is, as EV people and those that focus on range, we wanted to preserve the range of the Cybertruck. So from a design perspective, we put it close up here. It's not really making a big impact on the range of the truck. But when you really need maximum range, we figured you'd want to take the light bar off. So rather than making that a big project with tools and all kinds of complexity, we engineered a patent pending quick disconnect system. So these brackets actually bolt on to the factory Cybertruck mounting points, and then we've incorporated a quick disconnect fastener system. You can come up here, disconnect it, pull the light bar off. It's very simple to do. And then we have an optional kit where you can put mounting brackets in the bed of the Cybertruck on the side rails. So you can pop this thing up here, plug it in for off-roading, and then when you want to get on the highway and you got a long cruise and you need maximum range, just disconnect it, unplug it, and store it in the bed of the truck. Really cool stuff. Proud of the team, patent pending design. So let's go ahead and see how this thing looks here. We're in East Palisades Park here, and we're going to take a drive through here. Right now we've just got the stock headlights on, but let's start with the 4-banger ditch lights. So we'll turn those on, and you're going to see exactly where we have them aimed, kind of in the foreground in front of the truck. So I'm going to turn them off and then turn them back on. And you can see, so it's lighting up right in front of the truck. Now for distance, we've got our light bar ready. I'm going to turn that on. And that's going to be shooting, that's going to be our outrunner. So that's shooting way out in front of us, on and off. You can see it's a massive improvement. Let's go ahead and start cruising through this trail, and you're going to get an idea with and without the lighting. So this is lit up like daytime. This is amazing here. And I'll stop here for a minute just so you can see the throw of the light. So this is, again, with everything on and turning off the light bar and turning off the ditch lights. This is just stock headlights. That's with the 4-bangers on. And that's with our light bar. Let's keep rolling. So I'm going to turn the lights off for a minute. Now this is just stock headlights, and you can see as we're driving, I really can't see that much further past, a little bit in front of us in the turns. This is a good point here. Before I turn, I'm going to turn the ditch lights on and watch to the left. You can see some of how it's lit up on the path, and now with the light bar. So the difference is really significant without these lights on. That's without the lights again. That's just the light bar, no ditch lights. Back to stock headlights. And now with the ditch lights, this is just ditch lights and headlights here. And now adding the light bar there. Looks like we're gonna come up on some other cars in the turnaround up here. Try not to blind this guy. And we'll put them back on again. There you have it, guys. Hopefully this gives you a good little sneak peek at what the lighting is like on a Cybertruck. Make sure you go to tsportline.com, check it out. 4-banger ditch lights, 2-banger ditch lights, and of course the light bar on the roof. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video.